Hello guys, we are super excited right now because we are going for a mini picnic with my siblings and friends. I had to mute the audio because the song in my video triggered a copyright claim. Join with us as I take you all to see the waterfall. Let's see how exciting and amazing it turns out. The way to waterfall is not so easy, but as I said earlier, I am super excited to show you how beautiful the waterfall will be. As I was climbing, I didn't even realize that the sharp edge of the bamboo nearly hit me. After the toughest climb ever, I am standing on top of the cliff, walking down the broken road to see the beautiful waterfall.
Waterfall sawa ko na sila pa niya takada. It is the flop as it.
Here my brother is preparing a place to make a fire, and my sister is preparing to cook chicken that we brought from home. Cooking is over and my sister is serving food. This is how it looks like, our local plate. We're gonna have together, just distributing one for you, one for me. Definitely the food looks good and it will taste good. Let's dig in. I think you all will agree to me when I say this. When you're eating simple food in a jungle, even a plain plate becomes so delicious. Definitely the food was yummy. We enjoyed a lot together, cracking some jokes while having food. At the same time, when we were enjoying our meal, out of nowhere a scorpion crawled onto our plate and I had to throw it out, of course.
Amar khan bilak lahi wobas chaise mana da ito hill na meole ase pipe la support loina aste na me.
See, I am recording myself so that I can screenshot later.
Aya achiru manu man bishi picnic ta na. Oh my goodness, mon karas wa so brave.
Walking down is so hard. You can't control your legs. Funny fact though, but they are showing how you must step downhill walk. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.